Hey, just want to make a quick video here of kind of the structure and the materials that we use for roofing installation. Oftentimes we have our subfloor, which is your plywood, and then your underlayment, and your, in this case, your torch down field mat. Now, if you see here, when we torch down the rolls, they get melted down with the underlayment that you can see here is pretty much melted in between. Now, in this case, something I want to point out, if we are making a repairs of some sort, we would have to cut the the roof and make a laceration at some point of the roof to make that repair. Now, repairs are not always a guaranteed thing. Also, roofers will not guarantee or warrant the job if it's only a repair, especially on from old materials onto new. If the material was fairly new, maybe we could do it. But so you have an idea here of your new material and your old material would overlap like this around 2 to 3 feet from it. Now here, if you can see, this material, the existing material, is not in the greatest condition. If anything, is reaching its, you can see how it's not flexible, it breaks pretty easily. So that would be another problem as far as trying to melt down the new materials on there. Also, another thing to consider is that these rolls already have what you call your elastomeric paint, and when you torch down or you burn, it'll start blistering, just like it happened with the damage on this roof. So that causes leakage. And then also another thing to point out is that since this roof has been pretty damaged, you can see we have big air pockets in between because it's not really melted onto the wood or the other materials.